Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert the right arrow shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to insert the right arrow shape. Go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu. We can see here many shapes. Now we go to the block arrow section and select the right arrow. Now we can see here the arrow shape and right. Now I am select the shape and draw the shape to this sheet. We can see we insert the right arrow shape easily. You can change the color, otherwise add more than style or effect. Select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Choose shape fill. You can add any color. Now I am select this color. You can change the outline. Now I am make the outline white. You can add more than style or effect. Select the shadow option. You can add any shadow. You can add reflection or you can add more than effect. Now we can see we insert the right arrow shape in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.